What are you doing, Hadyn?
I'm now attempting a pair on a Laserdisc player, Naomi.
Oh, nice.
If we can get the sides off.
Loving it. As you can see, we have Reservoir Dogs on Laserdisc. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, that is not a massive giant CD.
It's not even a DVD.
Laserdisc.
And who cares if none of this works? I've still got that amazing laser.
Laser lips.
What else is all of this?
Mama was a snowblower. Okay.
Intriguing, eh?
Very interesting. Let's hope it's something better than Short Circuit within the range.
Could be anything really, couldn't it? You know?
Yeah, Short Circuit's great.
I'll take any kind of 1980s deluxe sound entertainment, really.
Care Bears?
Who knows? Would it be funny if it was? Oh, this come out as well.
H. Smile. You're on camera.
That screw's gone in a bit hard.
It's not coming out.
So I've just got to get this one
Look,
off.
fans. See down here.
That little lighter don't want to come out.
While Hayden's doing this, I'll just show you some extra great things in this room. Here we have I believe it's a PlayStation wood
Oh, it's coming.
wood frame. Whoa! Let's go back.
Back to the action.
What's happening?
This could be it. Yes.
Yes.
And there we have the internals
Oh.
of a Laserdisc player.
Oh.
What's the film?
Check it. Oh.
What the? Belinda?
Belinda.
Holy shit, it's a Belinda Carlisle. Music Laserdisc.
Filled in the air.
I get the funny feeling this hasn't worked for a long, long time. If Belinda
Yeah, me
Carlisle's
too, and it's
stuck
going
in
to
the joint.
start. It's going to start working soon. Okay, we'll be back.